So hello guys, welcome back to another one. It's a week later. We had some crap weather. It's a bit chilly today, but I'm in a t-shirt because I did warm up. I'll cool down again. But we're going to try our best to get this a bit of a further stage, to get the main part done hopefully. I'm hoping to get the swing arm off relatively easy. So let's just get stuck in. First off, just take the chain guard off if I can. I ain't going to do it with a screwdriver and realise it's an Allen key, so I've got to figure out which size it is, and I haven't brought them down with me. So maybe I'll skip that bit. I only brought the tools I need. I checked all the sockets and the Allen key I need for the suspension. That's a 16mm nut with it. Let's start with the relatively easy bit then. Let's get the wheel off. 12mm spanner to undo the locking nuts on the adjuster. So undoing them both together, kind of stuck together. Get them undone a certain amount. Well, I would say I'll try and then crack them apart, but I've only got a socket to go with it. But for some reason that one's stuck to the main nut, but that's okay. They can be replaced if necessary, but cleaning them up should sort them out. I'm now going to get this split pin off. I've got a hammer ready just in case I needed it, but it doesn't look like I need it. Just split the ends. I'll just split them enough anyway, you just get some pliers. Pin those should be okay. I've got normal pliers as well if I need them. Alright, and just straighten these out as best you can. Bit of a pain in the butt doing this just to get a split pin out, but it's best to get them as straight as you can before trying to pull them, otherwise you're just going to waste your time and energy. You can see it mostly came out easily by hand then, so I've done quite a good job with it. It's just slightly bent. And the way at the tip. It's kind of awkward to get hold of, but yeah, that's mostly out. Your bit should be able to grab that. Pull that out. Came out pretty good in the end actually. That probably would be okay to reuse it, but I'll think about it. See how many things I need to order. Right, this one is something like a 27mm. The opposite side is 22. I'm just going to put the Right, I started it. Some water dripping from in there for some reason. Well, better be water, can't be petrol, it's got a tank on it. It's not coming from the brakes. Right, slowly get that started. I don't want to put too much pressure on it. Being it's on the axle stand. There you go, it's easier now. Speed things up a little bit. Actually, that definitely was good enough. Give myself plenty of room for moving the wheel, really. Sorry. So as far forward as that will go. Let's take that off anyway. There you go, spacers will drop down. I'll go undo the brake caliper to get the brake pipe off the swing arm. Right, that can sit like that for now. Get the wheel forward enough to get the chain off. There we go, that should come off. And the wheel will come out. That's another thing, I'll take that spacer off there. From the wheel, put that in there. Let's double check there ain't another one still that side. So I think that is the only one what I've already put on here. So yeah, I'm putting these in order. So there's a washer, which will be this side with this bolt. Then you've got the brake caliper mount, then the spacer which goes to the wheel, then this spacer this side, washer and crown nut. I'll just keep them together and they can have a good clean. It'll be all re-greased when I put it together. But I might go and get some more Allen keys for this to take that off, so that's out of the way. Grab a load of tissue so I can take that brake cable off. But I might try and loosen everything else off first as well. So let's go make sure I've got that stuff and I'll be back in a sec. But there's the wheel off. Well, they come off nice and easy, that's good. They come off nice and easy, that's handy. That's what I was meant to say. Good condition on the inside, but it's a little corroded on the outside. 12mm spanner to get this thingy off, brake line off. Probably should have done this while it was still connected. You can kind of connect it back up on there to give me some leverage. Oh, that came undone fairly easy actually. I thought it slipped off, but already I can see fluid coming out. Oh, there we go. Before that drips that everywhere. I'll try and keep that together, but once that's through these, I'll have to take that off. So now that's through these, I should be able to hopefully prop it up somewhere. But if I sit that there like that somehow, go like that, that holds that there just lovely. It's the bolts or not, but the washer or washers, I've got one here. I'll like to check if there's one stuck on here. Yeah, there's one stuck on there, so there's two, one for each side of the banjo thing. I'll put them both on and then screw that back in so you know where that is. Might as well try and take those out as well, the adjusters. This side will be easy because they're all good. There's a washer that comes with the nuts. Well, actually, I don't need to take all that off. Oh my god, look at all that. Might be worth replacing them. There's got all sorts of gunk in there. One has got all the ruled salts and crap on that. Look at that. Definitely should have took them out before. Gave that a good clean out. That should just come out now. That's not too corroded in there. That one's a bit stuck. That one don't look nowhere near as bad, isn't it? Don't know what size that is, but it's quite big-ish, well, medium size maybe. Allen key. And a 19mm. Is it 19? I thought we said a different one. Is this the right one? Yeah. Right. So doing up that way. I think it turned a bit. I haven't got much room for manoeuvring. I don't want to come on until you get up there and the seat and everything's in the way for turning that. It's a pain in the butt. Let's see if I can do something with the Allen key. Socket in it to give me something to hold on to. Oh, there it goes. Got lucky on how easy that was as well. I had turned it very slightly on the other side. I'll turn it slightly more each time. That came out surprisingly easy. So this side is 24mm. Not sure if you can see it there. 24mm for this side here. And what size was it for the other side? 22, I think, yeah. Right. Well, that came off easy enough. No washer, like got their own little washer on that. How easy is that going to be to get through? I should have put my rubber mallet down, right? Forgot. Let's just see if we can get the nose of the pliers on the end, see if that start knocking it through. Fairly easy actually. Yeah, it's about to drop this side. Bollocks, unforeseen issue. Looks like where I've parked it means the little light thing is in the way. I'm back. I might just have to move you over to there. Hopefully you can still see what I'm doing. The lighting's all a bit weird as well. I found this old tent pole. That'll be more than long enough. If it's wide enough. I think it's fit. It just needs getting in the right way. Let's see. Still doesn't want to pull out. And I've got 2 or 3 more centimetres of play to push it out, so hopefully it'll be out by then. It's out, but I'm not sure I've got enough room to remove it. That can stay in there for now as a little bit of a prop for the swing arm. Just going to move you out of the way because I'm going to try something dodgy. Oh, just a little bit more. That'll be out. I can see the thread now. There you go. It's not dodgy at all. Ta-da! Done the job though. It's a bit rusty. It's not too bad. I'll put a coating of ACF 50 over that when I take it up. Now I can give it a good wipe down and clean up. Maybe sand it a bit if I need to. When I put it back together, I'll put plenty of grease on it. Let's point you back over here. Let me just check I'm recording. You can see what you need to see. Just put the nut back on the end. And I'll put that back over this end. I'll have a good old clean up and everything before that go back on either way. Hold that out, pull that out. There's another clip with the brake pipe on. For that you would expect to be fairly easy to get off. But it's not. There's a little rubber thing in there. Rubber little grommet around the brake line. that you can't just easily push through underneath, even though they've made it designed to look like you can. Can't believe I'm being held back by one little rubber grommet thing. There's about 600 things to hold it out of the way. Right, at least I can pull that out now. Just sit that there for a minute. And as you can see, the chain's looped around that part. Getting really low on battery now as well. As you can see, that's all off. I'm going to show you around it closer. Right, you can see it's all filthy with that. You can see where a lot of the colour has come off it and being battered and needs repainting. The corrosion actually isn't too bad really. And as you can see there, the chain is looped around that part. So to get that off, I'd have to take it off the front sprocket, but that'll still be joined with this, joined with the swing arm. So I could like wrap it up in paper and stuff and just try and hang it out of the way of parts I'm spraying, or get the chain tool and split it, which I'd prefer not to, because it wasn't that long ago I bought this. Splitting with a chain tool and getting a new pin and O-rings should be okay to reuse it that way, but I'd prefer not to pull it apart. And this is the bit that was causing me pain a minute ago. See if I can see that. Yeah, that just hooks around to about back there. If that was just like a half circle, you could easily push that in. But you just can't, because that sort of like goes more than half a circle round, and then there's a little lip of metal, which might be awkward for you seeing. I'm going to go like this. I can't see what you can see, but maybe. I should hopefully be able to pry it off now with my hands. If I just sit you there for a second, I'll give it a go. No, I still can't even get it off at the minute. I'll try that when I need to. But these bits here are just little loops that the brake pipe goes through. There's two of them, and it goes through and up to the brake master cylinder this way, and the brake caliper this way. Why they couldn't have just done that then, and I could have got that through there while it was off and not take it off the master cylinder. But yeah, at least it's finally off. I'm probably going to leave that there. My battery's getting low and everything. I will prep that soon. I might do a video of me prepping that, getting a wire wheel out and getting most of the crap off. That'll probably be quite a short one. I was going to do a little bit just at least to start at the end of this, but like I said, my battery's getting low and everything. I'd rather just get a lot of the stuff up out of the way, then get that chain off the front sprocket. Now there you go, swing arm finally off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.